Make electronics. So it turned into a multi-bagger really fast in just 3 months. Yes, it went from 55 rupees to almost 110 rupees in 3 months. And then it started collapsing, and currently it is consolidating for a long time. So in this video I am going to give you the quick update on Make Electronics. We'll see where it is at currently and what should we do next. If you are an interested investor in semiconductor industry and you want to buy a stock which has future potential, which is working in futuristic technology, but also you want to buy it at the right time, right price, then definitely you should watch this video till the end. Let's get started. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Make Electronics chart in weekly time frame, and you can see this is the trend that I was talking about. It went from here to almost here. I rounded up to 110, but it went above that as well. Okay, it did not close above that, it touched above that. Okay, so this is a very quick rally. So if I measure from here 55, you can see it went up to this 110, 101% in 91 days, so almost 3 months. So that's a big move, and that is a very quick rally, but then you can see the fall. So thing is, how could you have noticed that it is going to fall, and how could you have exited with the maximum amount of profit? You see, if let's say you are entering at this place, okay, you can see this is forming kind of a cup with handle pattern, although I would say it is not exactly a cup with handle, but we don't have to get into that too much. Okay, it's of no use. We just have to know if it's a bullish or bearish pattern. So you can see this is the breakout and the quick rally started here, but then it started falling. Then you have to see if this is the place where you should exit or not. Well, what you could have done is you could have used the 50 days EMA or 10 weeks EMA. So I'm going to use the 10 weeks EMA. It's the same thing. Okay, let me just go to the daily time frame and enable 50. You will see it's the same thing. You can see at the first round, after the first rally, this big rally. Okay, let's measure that as well. So if I measure from this point, breakout point, it went up by 82% in 17 days. Yes, 17. So around less than 3 weeks, 82%. That is huge. Okay, then definitely a correction. It deserves definitely, and it came down. Okay, it came down and it took support at 50 days EMA. Okay, so you got the confirmation that yes, if the stock is trading above 50 EMA, then it is safe to stay in the stock. Now as of now, you don't have to panic and exit. And also you can measure this rally and where it is at using the fib retracement tool. So if I use the fib retracement tool and connect this high to this low, you can use this low as well, not a problem, or this low, it's up to you. Okay, so let me just highlight. This is the high I took and this is the low. You can see this is the simple reason why I took the entire trend. Okay, and I calculated it, and you can see it took support exactly at 50 EMA level. Okay, after taking at 50 EMA, sorry, not 50 EMA, 50% fib retracement level at 72, then it started going up. Okay, so now you got the confirmation that yes, it is going to continue the rally. Okay, I'm going to delete all of these things. Okay, now again we go back to weekly time frame. But one thing you need to notice is that although it did give a rally, you can see long wicks coming from the top side. So this is clearly telling that something is pushing the price down and the bears are getting active. So you have to be careful and start observing the stock closely from this point. Okay, so you see again it went up and it broke that level as well. It went up here. Okay, but at that place you have to see it has started forming a bearish divergence. How do I know that? See, here this is high, here this is high. So higher high, okay. But if I enable the RSI, you can see lower high forming. Okay, to make this simple, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this candlestick chart into line chart. Okay, this is the line chart, and now you can clearly see this is a higher high formed, and this is a lower high form. So when a bearish divergence appears, you have to be very careful near the top area so that you can exit with maximum profit, because already we have seen that it is starting to get weak here only. Okay, in the initial high. So in the next high you have to watch and wait for the right time to exit. So as soon as you see, here you can see the upper circuit taking place. these are the upper circuit. Once you see this closing, okay, the next day you can easily sell at around 100, that will be a very good profit from 55 to 102 in very short amount of time, just 3 months. Okay, 80 to 85% rally. Okay, now coming to the present scenario, it has been going sideways for a long time, and I'm going back to weekly. Okay, and now you can see the stock is trading below the 30-week CMA. So I would say currently it is at stage 4, and I can clearly draw one trend line here like this, and it has broken that as well, so it is going down. So what I expect the stock to do is come back again to this level, this 60 to 55 level. Okay, 55 to 60 level, it could definitely come down. Currently it is at 69.76, so not much far away. Okay, so it could come down here, and then it could continue its sideways action. So you have to wait for some more time, maybe 1 month, 2 months, or maybe 3 months or more. Okay, so as of now, no entries. Okay, just keep this stock in your watch list. I know this could be your favorite stock because it is into semiconductor. Okay, and it is at a low, it is available for a lower price, but and you want to get into that, but don't do that mistake, because you will get caught up in the sideways action and your money will simply be blocked. It's of no use. So don't do that. Just keep it in your watch list and keep watching, because the market is also weak right now. So no need to panic and make an entry at just for the sake of buying it at a lower price. Don't do that mistake. Just watch for the stock to start the sideways action. Once it starts its sideways action, we'll keep track, and I'll definitely make one more update video on this one once it is ready to start a new uptrend or something like that, right? So that is all about MIC Electronics. I hope this quick video was useful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will find more stock analysis post, and also you'll be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord. And don't forget to check my other channel as well, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.